Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only 4 came waddling back. Four little ducks had so much fun, swimming and splashing in the sun. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only 3 came waddling back. Three little ducks with feathers so blue waddled away in the morning dew. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only 2 came waddling back. Two little ducks on a grassy shore jumped in the pond to explore some more. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only 1 came waddling back. One little duck all on his own felt so small and far from home. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," and all 5 ducks came waddling back.
Quack, quack, quack! They're back, hooray!
Over the hills where they